And I don't know why, but we named our cat after a state of America called Arizona. We called it Arizona after a freaking state of USA. Of America. United States of America. And we called him Arizona from a state of America, and we do not know why. But we still call him Arizona. It's because we were going to Arizona with my Nana and Papa, because they were moving to Arizona and they needed help moving because they had so many freaking boxes. So yeah, we helped them move there. I think that was like last year or something. I don't really know. But this is our orange cat, which I like the color orange. To be honest, we didn't actually get this cat from he just kind of walked into our yard and we just adopted him. Yeah, you see stray, and we adopted him. And then we took him to a doctor. And the doctors did some fixing to him. And now we officially own this cat. It was a kitten when we walked into our yard. Hey kitty, wanna go outside? Come here. I don't know what he's doing. He's just biting the. He's just biting the blankets, and I don't know why.